Hi! Maraming salamat sa pag-click ng video na ito. Siguro kaya mo klinik ang video na ito dahil isa ka sa mga sumusunod. Isa ka bang empleyado na naghahanap ng extra income dahil di sapat ang sahod? Isa ka bang estudyante na naghahanap ng part-time job para pandagdag sa tuition o allowance? Isa ka bang mommy na gustong magkaroon ng additional income kahit nasa bahay lang? Isa ka bang OFW na gusto nang umuwi sa Pinas para makasama na ang mga minamahal? Kung oo ang sagot mo, congratulations! Para sa iyo ang video na to. Bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko muna magpakilala. I'm Amor Rivera, 24 years old, I dropped out from college. One of the Gold Director of BWL Philippines, a car incentives qualifier, member of BW Elite Members Club, awarded as one of the $1 million achiever in Singapore, monthly and quarterly profit sharing qualifier, and a travel. Pero alam mo bang bago ko na-achieve lahat ng yon, katulad mo din ako, naghahanap din ng extra income, extra pagkakakitaan para pambayad utang, pandagdag sa kita at matulungan ang magulang. Katulad mo din akong gustong mabago ang buhay at makaahon sa hirap. Sa video na ito, malalaman mo ang mga sumusunod. Kung paano ka magiging part ng isang very stable international company. Kung paano ka kikita ng daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly income. Kung paano ka kikita ng 500,000 in just 5 months. Let's start! Our company is BWL. BWL means Best World Lifestyle, a international company based in Singapore. We offer quality and effective health and wellness products. Our founders, Dr. Dora Juan, 35 years experience in direct selling industry, PhD in Business Management, Chairman of Direct Selling Association of Singapore. Dr. Dorindan, 35 years experience in direct selling industry, PhD in Naturopathy. She formulates BW products with no chemical. Our product is made from GMP certified facilities. GMP means Good Manufacturing Practices. Makakasiguro kayo na ang product natin ay quality, safe, and very effective. Our company is founded in 1990. It means 26 years na sa industry, but pioneer pa lang sa Philippines. Almost 4 years pa lang siya dito. BW is the first and only direct selling company listed in the main board of Singapore Stock Exchange. Ito ang nagpapatunay na ang company natin ay very stable. We have a lot of awards and recognitions. Our products have Super Brand Awards. Na-feature din tayo sa Forbes magazine as one of the billion-dollar company in Asia. Ang good news, open din tayo worldwide. Meron tayong almost 10 countries na branches worldwide and over 40 countries worldwide. So, kung may mga kakilala kayo sa Asia, pwede nyo papuntahin sa mga offices na meron tayo. Question, stable ba ang company natin? Yes! We are 26 years in network marketing industry. Public listed in Singapore. We have branches worldwide. We provide quality and effective products for customers and distributors. We have 2 product lines, Inner Harmony and the Outer Harmony. For more info about the products, just watch the other video or contact the person who shared this video to you. Ngayon, pag-usapan na natin paano kayo makakasali at paano kayo kikita sa business na to. Meron tayong 9 amazing ways to earn. Pag-usapan natin yan mamaya isa-isa. Choose your package now.
Created using Powtoon.